Even though Apple has only just introduced the iPhone 17 lineup, momentum around the iPhone 18 is already building fast. Early leaks, insider whispers, supply chain reports, and analyst notes are converging on a much bigger, bolder, and more future-focused upgrade than Apple has attempted in years. In a market where Samsung, Google, Huawei, OnePlus, and new AI-centric brands are pushing hard, the iPhone 18 is shaping up to be a true generational leap. The iPhone 17 delivered a clear, design refresh in aluminum unibody frame, a bold horizontal camera bar, and stronger graphics courtesy of Apple Silicon. But the iPhone 18 is expected to push further across the four categories that matter most to long-term users: design, performance, connectivity, and camera technology. iPhone 18 release timeline: staggered launch across 2026 and 2027, according to multiple supply chain analysts and reputable leak trackers. Apple is preparing a split rollout: September 2026, iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, and the long-rumored foldable model, unofficially dubbed iPhone Fold. March 2027, standard iPhone 18 and iPhone 18 Plus. This staggered schedule would mark Apple's first major split iPhone launch since the 2020 delay of the iPhone 12, rather than a negative. Analysts see it as a strategic move: extra time to polish new display tech, refine Apple's in-house modem, expand Apple Intelligence features, and optimize battery life for the next-gen 2nm A20 Pro chip, ultimately delivering a more stable, more refined product at launch. Design and display: slimmer dynamic island, premium finishes, bolder identity full-screen iPhones with under-display Face ID and no cutout remain a goal. But leaks suggest Apple is unlikely to achieve truly hidden Face ID hardware until iPhone 19 or later. For iPhone 18 Pro models, expect a smaller, slimmer dynamic island closer to a refined punch-hole silhouette, offering a more futuristic aesthetic without the usability trade-offs that early hidden sensor implementations can bring. On the back, Apple is reportedly exploring more transparent or translucent rear glass finishes, subtle color tints, and advanced coatings for improved grip and durability. A cleaner premium language that complements the horizontal camera bar introduced with iPhone 17. Result could be one of the most visually distinctive iPhones Apple has produced, with real improvements in in-hand comfort and long-term wear, connectivity, C2 modem, better 5G, and a major step toward independence. Apple's multi-year effort to move away from Qualcomm is entering a new phase. After the C1 modem in the iPhone 16 series and the improved C1X in the iPhone Air model, the iPhone 18 is rumored to debut Apple's C2 modem. Expected gains include faster, more stable 5G performance across bands, lower power consumption during high bandwidth tasks like streaming, gaming, and tethering, AI-assisted signal optimization to maintain speed while extending battery life. That said, Apple's licensing agreement with Qualcomm reportedly runs through 2027, so not every iPhone 18 variant may use Apple's in-house modem. Some global models, especially in regions with complex 5G requirements, may still rely on Qualcomm hardware for one more cycle. Performance: 2nm at 20. Pro chip for a real generational jump. The star of the show is expected to be Apple's 2nm A20 Pro chip. Built by TSMC, this next-gen process enables higher transistor density and significantly improved efficiency, unlocking major real-world gains: faster real-time rendering and ray tracing. Graphics for gaming accelerate machine learning for on-device AI and Apple Intelligence, smoother multitasking and smarter background process management, cooler sustained performance, and better overall battery efficiency for users. That translates into faster photo and video editing, more responsive apps, improved voice processing, and longer endurance even under heavy workloads. With Apple Intelligence deeper in the OS, the synergy between silicon and software could make iPhone 18 feel distinctly faster and more context-aware than anything before a dot camera system. Smarter controls and big upgrades for non-pro models. Apple appears focused on strategic refinements rather than a total overhaul. Redesigned camera control button. Reports point to a shift away from capacitive touch toward a more reliable, pressure-sensitive mechanism. Expect precise half-press focusing, gesture shortcuts, and fewer accidental inputs. 4.8MP ultrawide for base models. The standard iPhone 18 and iPhone 18 Plus are rumored to gain a 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, likely sourced from advanced Samsung ISL or Sony IMX hardware. That would mean dramatically better low-light photography, cleaner night shots, richer landscapes, and smoother video capture on non-pro models. If accurate, it represents the closest parity yet between Apple's base and Pro. iPhones and raw camera capability. Pro models are expected to continue refining computational photography, HDR tuning, and telephoto stabilization. Building on the momentum established in recent generations, battery life and thermals. Efficiency at every level. Battery improvements are expected from multiple angles to 2 nanometers efficiency gains and smarter power scheduling with the A20 Pro potential, boosts in battery density, and more effective thermal designs. AI-driven charging optimization that learns usage patterns to preserve long-term battery health together. These changes aim to deliver longer screen-on time during demanding tasks while keeping temperatures in check. Apple Intelligence, deeper, faster, and more private with Apple Intelligence expanding across system features and apps. The iPhone 18 could feel meaningfully smarter, faster, more contextual on-device AI with minimal reliance on the cloud, more capable text, image, and media tools that adapt to personal context, stronger privacy posture by keeping more intelligence on device. This tight integration of silicon, software, and AI is a key differentiator as competitors emphasize cloud-first approaches. Foldable iPhone. The iPhone Fold rumor gains steam. One of the most compelling threads is the continued rumor of a foldable iPhone arriving alongside the iPhone 18 Pro models. Details remain guarded, but expectations center on a premium, tablet-like experience that emphasizes durability, crease management, and fluid software transitions between folded and unfolded states. If it appears in this cycle, it would signal a deliberate, polished entry rather than a first-gen experiment. Should you wait or buy iPhone 17? The question is already lighting up forums and comment sections. With a slimmer dynamic island, the C2 modem, a 2 nanometers A20 Pro chip, and significant camera upgrades, especially for the base models, the iPhone 18 looks like more than a routine refresh. Many buyers are considering skipping iPhone 17 to wait for this broader wave of change across 2026 and 2027. Conclusion: a true generational leap, not just an annual update when you combine refined design, next-gen silicon, a smarter modem strategy, meaningful camera improvements, and deeper Apple Intelligence. The iPhone 18 reads like a milestone moment in Apple's roadmap. If the leaks hold, this lineup won't just keep pace, it could redefine expectations for performance, photography, connectivity, and AI integration across the industry. In short, the iPhone 18 is poised to be far more than a yearly refresh. It's aiming to set new standards for the next era of smartphones.